Today we will be painting concentric circles. What are concentric circles, you might ask? Well, concentric circles are essentially circles that share the same center. Basically just circles going around other circles. You might hear about concentric circles in geometry or math class. You might see examples of concentric circles in nature, like in the cross-section of an onion or tree trunk, or even in the ripples created by a drop of water. There's even a famous artwork created by Vasily Kandinsky titled Color Study, Square with Concentric Circles. Now, I want you to take a close look at Kandinsky's concentric circles and notice that they are not perfect. Today, when we are painting our circles, ours will not be perfect either. Your goal today is to use good craftsmanship to paint neatly and fill your space. We don't want any of the white parts of our paper plates to show when we are finished. To begin, choose one color to put at the center of your plate. Hold your red, flat brush by the rubber grip and hold it like you hold your pencil. Remember, all the bristles should be traveling in the same direction. You should be pulling the brush so that the bristles are laying flat. Work hard to smooth your color down because we don't want big chunky blobs. When you're finished with your first circle, it's time for another ring of color. Clean your brush really well in the water cup. Be sure to put those toes to the bottom of the bathtub to get a large majority of the paint out. And once you've cleaned your brush as well as you can in the water cup, dry it on the paper towel on your tray. Choose your second color and keep in mind that because you don't want any white spaces, your first color is going to touch your second color and they might mix a little bit. So if you want to use the color wheel to help you decide which colors work well together, that would be a great idea. Paint a concentric circle around your first, making sure there is no white space between them. Work hard to smooth your paint down and give it nice, smooth edges. If your brush and painting is sounding or looking a bit scratchy, you need more paint on your brush to make it glide better across your painting surface. Once you finish your second color, clean and dry your brush really well and keep on creating concentric circles until you have completely filled the front side of your plate. Once you get to your last ring of color, be sure to look closely at the edges and all the way around your plate to make sure you haven't forgotten any little white spots that are hard to see.